The case against free college comes from a variety of people, reminding us all that free college actually costs money. To begin with, raising property or income taxes for any reason is always a tough sell politically. Conservatives often argue that if taxes are raised too high, residents could move to other states where taxes are lower. Then there are the costs that come with free tuition. The City College of San Francisco saw a huge spike in enrollment after it began its free tuition program. Now, the college is asking the city to cover the extra costs like hiring more professors and providing student services. There's also the argument that offering free tuition to everyone could just be a waste of money since not everyone wants to get a college degree. There's research showing that graduation rates fall the less students pay. In fact, 47% of community college enrollees drop out of school, and that number might increase if it becomes free for everyone. So, free tuition might raise the already high dropout rates. Others argue that if the point of free college is to help students who can't afford it, why not increase grant money that goes to low-income students instead? That way, we're not subsidizing the cost of college for students from high-income families that might have no problem paying. After all, the true cost of college is more than just tuition and fees. You've got rent, you got food, there's transportation, and man, don't even get me started on books. I got financial aid, so I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for college, but one semester, one book cost half of my tuition. Half. So, what do you think? Is free college a good idea? If so, who should pay for it? Let us know in the comments.